it's time for us to answer your worksheet. Are you ready? Yes, I am. So this is our worksheet. Subtracting 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Directions: solve the 4-digit subtraction problem below. So let's start with number 1. We have 8,492 minus 6,786. So let's subtract now. Here, let's start with 1's place. So can we subtract 6 from 2? No, we cannot. So let's borrow 2, number 9. So 9 becomes, 8. And 2 becomes, 12. So can we subtract now 6 from 12? Yes, of course. So 12 minus 6 equals to, very good, equals to 6. And 8 minus 8 equals, very good, 0. 4 minus 7 cannot be, so let's borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 equals to, very good, 7. And 7 minus 6 equals, good job, we have 1. So our answer is 1,706. Okay, who got the correct answer? 1,706. Okay, let's check your answer. Check. Very good. Okay, let's move to number 2. We have 8,523 minus 7,639. Okay, can we subtract 9 from 3? No, we can't. So let's borrow from 2. 2 becomes 1 and 3 becomes, very good, 13. So 13 minus 9 is equals to, good job, 4. Okay, next. Can we subtract 3 from 1? No, let's borrow again. 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. Very good. Next. 4 minus 6. Oh, cannot be. So let's borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7 and 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 6 is equals to, very good, 8. So 7 minus 7 equals 0. So our answer is 884. Okay. We will not do that. So let's erase it. Okay. 884. Who got the correct answer, kids? Let's check your answer. Okay, check. Let's move to number 3. So we have 2,345 minus 1,480. Can we subtract 0 from 5? Yes, of course. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. Just copy it, bring it down. And 4 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow from 3. So 3 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 14. Good job. 14 minus 8 is equals to, 6. 2 minus 4 cannot be, so let's borrow again. 2 becomes 1 and 2 becomes 12. Okay, 12 minus 4 is equals to, 8. And 1 minus 1 equals to 0 again. So our answer here is 865. Who got the correct answer? Good job, kids. Let's check your answer. Check. So let's move on to number 4. We have 2,985 minus 2,976. So let's start. 5 minus 6 cannot be, so we will borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7. 5 becomes, okay, 15. So 15 minus 6 is equals to, very good, 9. 7 minus 7. Okay, good job. 0. 9 minus 9. 0 again. 2 minus 2. 0 again. So our answer is 9. Who got the correct answer? Okay, let's check. Next, number 5. We have 4,372 minus 684. So 2 minus 4 cannot be. So let's borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 2 becomes what? 12. Okay, so we can subtract 4 to 12 now. 12 minus 4 is equals to, very good, we have 8. And 6 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow. 3 becomes 2. And 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 equals to 8 again. So let's have 2 minus 6 cannot be, so let's borrow from 4. 4 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 equals to, good job, 6. And let's bring down 3. So our answer is 3,688. Who got the correct answer? Good job, kids. Check your work. Very good. Okay, let's continue to number 6. We have 4,279 minus 2,783. So let's subtract. 9 minus 3 is equals to, very good, we don't need to borrow. Okay, 9 minus 3 equals 6. 7 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow. 2 becomes 1. 7 becomes, okay, 17. So we have 17 minus 8 is equals to 9. 1 minus 7 cannot be, let's borrow from 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is equals to 4. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So our answer is 1,496. Who got the correct answer, kids? Okay, let's check. Next, we have 3,423 minus 1,738. So let's subtract. 3 minus 8 is equals to, oh, we cannot. So let's borrow again from 2. 2 becomes 1. And 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 8 equals to 5. 1 minus 3 cannot be, let's borrow. Okay, 3 becomes 4. 4 becomes 3. And 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is equals to 8. 3 minus 7 cannot be, let's borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. And 3 becomes, okay, becomes what? 13. 13 minus 7 equals to, okay, 6. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So our answer is 1,685. Who's correct? Okay, let's check. Now let's have number 8, which is 2,824 minus 1,755. 4 minus 5 cannot be, so let's borrow. 2 becomes 1 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 equals to 9. 1 minus 5 cannot be, let's borrow from 8. Becomes 7. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 equals to 6. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer is 1069. Who got the correct answer, kids? Let's check. Check. Now let's go to number 9. We have 9,833 minus 7,925. So 3 minus 5 cannot be. So let's borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 is equals to, very good, 8. 2 minus 2, 0. 8 minus 9 cannot be. So let's borrow from 9. 9 becomes 8 and 8 becomes 18. So 18 minus 9 is equals to 9. 8 minus 7 equals to 1. So our answer is 1908. Good job, kids. Who got the correct answer? Check. Now let's move to number 10. 8,530 minus 829. So 0 minus 9 cannot be. So let's borrow from 3. 3 becomes what? Good job, 2. And 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Correct? Yes. So 5 minus 8 cannot be. So let's borrow from 8. 8 becomes what? 7. And 5 becomes what? Okay, 15. So 15 minus 8 equals, yes, 7. And then let's bring down 7. So our answer is 7,701. Who got the correct answer? Let's check. Okay, check. Next, we have number 11. So let's go to number 11. So 1 minus 3 cannot be. So let's borrow from, okay, 2. 2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 11. So 11 minus 3 is equals to, very good, 8. 1 minus 4 cannot be again. So let's borrow from 8 becomes 7 and 1 becomes what? Good job, 11. So 11 minus 4 is equals to 7. Okay? And 7 minus 9 cannot be. So let's borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4. So 7 becomes what? Okay, 17. So 17 minus 9 is equals to, okay, 8. 4 minus 1 equals 3. So our answer is 3,878. Who got the correct answer? Very good. Let's check. Now let's go to number 12. We have 5,749 minus 2,851. So we have 9 minus 1 equals 2. Good job. Equals to 8. 4 minus 5 cannot be. So let's borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 4 becomes what? 14. So 14 minus 5 equals to, okay, 9. And 6 minus 8 cannot be again. So we will borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 is equals to, very good, 8. 4 minus 2 equals, okay, very good, 2. So our answer is 2,898. Who got the correct answer, kids? Okay, check your work. Okay, let's move on. We have number 13. So we have here 8,650 59 minus 6,739. So we have 9 minus 9 equals, very good, 0. And then we have 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. 6 minus 7 cannot be, so let's borrow from, okay, 8. 8 becomes what? Very good, 7. And 6 becomes 16. So we have 16 minus 7 equals to, very good, 9. And 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So our answer is 1,920. Who got the correct answer, kids? Check. Let's go to number 14. We have 5,433 minus 3,844. So let's answer. We have 3 minus 4 cannot be. So let's borrow from, okay, 3. So 3 becomes what? 2. So 3 here becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 equals to, okay, 9. 2 minus 4 cannot be. Let's borrow again. 4 becomes what? 4 becomes 3 and 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 4 is equals to, okay, 8. And 3 minus 8 cannot be. Let's borrow from 5 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. And 4 minus 3 equals, okay, 1. So we have the answer 1,589. Who got the correct answer? Okay, check your paper. Very good. So let's move to number 15. So we have number 15. 1,099 minus 435. 9 minus 5 equals, good job, 4. 9 minus 3, good job, 6. 0 minus 4 cannot be, so let's borrow from 1. 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes what? 10. Good job. 10 minus 4 equals, okay, 6. And of 0. Okay, so we will not put 0 here. We have 664. Okay, let's check your paper. Next we have, let's subtract. 5 minus 6 cannot be, so let's borrow from 9. 9 becomes, okay, 8. So let's write 8. And 5 becomes what? Okay, very good. 5 becomes 15. Okay, so 15 minus 6 is equals to, good job, let's have 9. 8 minus 9 cannot be, so let's borrow from, okay, 2. 2 becomes 1 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 equals 9. And 1 minus 0 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals, okay, 2. So we have the answer 2,199. Okay, let's check. Okay, next we have number 17. So we have here 5 minus 3 equals 2. 0 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow from here. 2 becomes what? 1. And 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 equals, very good, 2. And 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So we have our answer 1,122. Now let's go to 18. So we have 4,034 minus 3,854. 56. So we have 4 minus 6 cannot be, so let's borrow from 4. Oh, 3. 3 becomes 2 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is equals to, good job, 8. 2 minus 5 cannot be. Can we borrow from 0? No, we cannot. So let's have with 4 becomes 3. 0 becomes 10, but we will borrow, right? So the 2 will borrow from 0. So 0 becomes 9 and 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 5 is equals to, okay, 7. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 3 minus 3, okay, 0. So we have the answer 178. Okay, let's check your answer here. Check and check. Now let's have 19. 7,582 minus 4,893. 2 minus 3 cannot be, so let's borrow from 8. 8 becomes what? 7. And 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 equals, very good, 9. And 7 minus 9 cannot be, so we will borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 9 is equals to, very good, 8. And we have 4 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow from 7. 7 becomes what? 6 and 4 becomes 14. So 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Okay. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So we have 2,689. Next, let's check your answer. Very good. Next, we have here 4,557 minus 839. 7 minus 9 cannot be, so let's borrow from 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 7 becomes 17. So 17 minus 9 equals to 8. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And 5 minus 8 cannot be, so let's borrow. We have 3 here and 15 here. So 15 minus 8 equals 7 and bring down 3. So we have our answer 3,718. Okay, let's check your answer. Check.
So that is our worksheets. Who got perfect? I hope you got perfect scores. So see you on the next video.